guys, back to you with another one. It's your boy Fast Ma. Welcome back to the channel. Man, sorry I've been going for so long. Been grinding, working. Whole lot of things been happening, man. You know, but I know there's no excuse for video content, but you know, a lot of things been happening. You know, before I start this video, I know you guys see the title, you see the thumbnail, but I want to give a special shout out to my mother-in-law. She's going through a little bit of things, and you know, without getting too deep and too in detail on camera, you know, I just want her to, like, you know, to have a speedy recovery and, you know, just to keep it pushing, man. You know, so anyway, let's get to the scheduled programming. Actually, we're gonna be heading to a little car meet. I want to say it's in Daytona. I can't remember where it's at, right? I think it's in Daytona. I have the lovely Florida Keto Mama, by the way, with me. Hi. The wifey. That's what you say? Wifey? Like, I mean, like, yo, like, just a little hi. Hi. That's it? Like, yo. like, damn, like, I was like, yo, say what up, guys? Like, say what up, YouTube? Like, damn. They trying to say what up. But anyway, yeah, we about to head out, and we're going to be linking up with a few guys, and, you know, just have a good time. And I'm going to get you guys a few rolling shots, and, you know, we're going to take it easy and chill. Right now, I don't know if you guys heard that, but, you know, that's Garage Driven acting a fool already. But, yeah, we're going to get back to you in a bit, guys. Enjoy the ride. Later. What up? What's going on? It's a deal, man. What's going on, man?
Special guest here.
Yo, you ready though?
Yup.
What's going on, man? Chilling, man. Chilling, man.
Yes, sir.
What's going on, man? How you living, man? How you doing? All right, man. Man, how long y'all been waiting, man?
145.
Yo, listen. Talk to your boy. Yo, your boy Concrete. He got to put on his, you know, little toenail clippers and all that, you know?
We out here Timberlands and jeans like we about to get a blizzard.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, yo, come on. Like, yo, you got to relax.
He out here like he think we on 138th in the Bronx.
Man, I had to tell him, I was like, man, where you get the butters from, man? Like, yo, you just holding out, man. Like, damn, bro. I ain't see those in a minute. For real. I was like, jeez, man. That's what's up, man. Like, yeah, we're gonna pull up, man, and have a good time, man. For real. That's it.
Good day.
That's it, man. That's it, man.
Can't stay out too late because my life ends at 1:50. I gotta get ready for work and be in at 3. So.
Oh, for real? Damn.
Yeah, but I'm still riding today.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow.
Okay.
So, yo, it's all good.
It is what we do, man.
That's it, man.
We pay for what we
Yo,
do,
you
bro.
got to, man. Like, yo, you got no choice but to work, man.
Yep.
You know.
Yep.
Look, is this good? Look, you see what he's doing, right? This is why we late. Look at him.
Yo, dude, the number 2, nothing like the number 3. No. Number 4.
Like, damn, man.
They ready?
They ready now? Finally?
Man, look at this dude here looking all Gucci,
Moped out, man. That's how you gotta do it.
You know?
Yeah.
What up, kiddo? Long time no see. What's up?
I followed your advice and did the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, that's because they might.
Cold start, man, on camera. take a little leak. You know what I mean? Yo, it's garage driven for. I'm gonna blame it on him. Yo, can I get an air out for the camera though? I haven't got it. I haven't got the air out on camera.
Oh, my phone's in the car. I was gonna get on my phone.
Yeah, look at us, man. You know, chilling out here, man. Looking good. Dude, about to air it out. You know what I mean? I'm sorry, guys. This is a technical malfunction. You know what I'm saying? All right. Look at that, guys. Come on, man. Like, tell me who you know got a Daytona aired out right now. Comment below. Let me know. Yeah, man. We about to just roll, man. It's my guy, Jeff. Say what up, Jeff.
What up?
Yeah, man, this is his Daytona, man. Looking wicked. Of course, you know, Modern Day Muscle. Oh, yeah. Got the sick ram right here. Bro. Look at that, the Terminator, man. Serious. Serious, man. Like, yo, this thing looks sharp, man. Like, yo, and it's running too. I was like, ooh, that thing is pulling.
Yeah. It gets a little loud.
Yeah, man. I was like, ooh, man, this thing is nice, man. Y'all see what it is, man. Of course, you know, you got the infamous Repo right here. You know what I'm saying? He over there chilling in the cut. Got Jafari right here. You know what I'm saying? Looking clean.
We out here.
You know what I mean? Yo, ooh, yo.
You know, Paul hooked me up.
That's it. You know what I'm saying? Garage driven. You know how it go.
There you go.
Of course, you know you got Modern Day Muscle, man. We about to roll out, hit this road, man. Let's go. Alright guys, we just got to the meet. Give y'all some shots of some certain cars. Got Garage Driven right here. Got Florida Keto Mama, look at her. She back there in the trunk doing something. But yeah, man, let's go meet some of the guys and shit and see what's going on, man.
What is that, Terminator?
Say what's up.
Hey!
Like, yo, say what up, YouTube. Man, so yo, we having a little polar bear meet.
I know, right?
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, it's in the North Pole right now. Yeah, like, yeah. Yo, man, yo, listen, man, I'm right here, baby. Come on, man. Man, listen, I just sucked my shit in. That's all that is.
My shit hang, I don't care.
I still gotta get used to it. You know what I'm saying? It's still hanging. You know what I mean? I don't give a fuck, man. It's like, yo, it's whatever. I'm a grown man, yo. You gotta let it hang, man. Whatever.
All right, it's 380 pounds of thrust behind this.
That man, what?
Love that shit.
Man, I tell them all the time, bro. It ain't with the six packs, man. The keg lasts all night. The party lasts all night with the keg. You feel me? Hell yeah, man. Yeah, so y'all see some of the cars, man. Like, yo, we just chilling, man. We're gonna wait for some more people to show up, chill.
Fast, man. Why are you late?
I know what it is, man.
I got
No,
it.
let me see it. No, let me see it. Now, write your first name or your initials really big so they can see it on camera. Nick, you getting this from the side?
Yeah, babe, get it.
Thank you. Get it, babe. Oh,
right,
now
so
put
we
another
sit-
random mark on there, like your credit card number and PIN. Just a squiggle. Got it. That's great. Now let it dry. I know
my
Shark-
new favorite person.
Watch this. Thank you. I'm blowing on the back. I'm a moron. That's so stupid. I'm so used to anyway. Never mind. Here you go. Here we go. Watch this. Check this out. Just say stop. Go ahead. Sorry about that. Here we go. Say stop. Drop it on. I'm going to bury it again. Watch this, you guys. See, Kelly? Watch this, you guys. I'll bury it twice. Watch this. You ready? Here's once. I really, now you definitely wrote on it? Okay. So watch this, gang. It's not the top card, because you wrote on yours. It's not the bottom card. I should not pick one of those. Somewhere in the middle. Now, guys, we're not going to use, what do you call it, Nick? We're not going to use sleight of hand.
No.
For this, right? We're going to use sleight of mouth.
Okay.
Right? Good. Well, the top card? Fuck. Bottom? Remember. Middle.
Stop it right now. Stop it right now.
Stop it. Stop it.
I have one card in my
Stop
mouth.
it.
It tastes like your handwriting.
Nah, bro.
Alright, I'll leave you alone. That's all I got today.
ChadLong.com, man. Chad Long.
Thanks,
Wow.
guys. Nice to see you guys.
Wow.
Thank you very much, man.
Wow. Yo, that's his brother. This is crazy. This is crazy. Holy cow. Alright guys, I'm about to close this one out. Wait, where's my wife at? Where's she at? She's right there. Let me duck down a little bit. Yo, we at Hooters. About to have a time. Yeah, you heard that, right? Like, yo, so we at Hooters. We're about to get it in, drink a little bit. Of course, we're gonna drive safe, man. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Fast Smile. I'll be back at you with another one, man. Peace. What you say, babe? What you guys do?
Subscribe.
That's it.
Like and subscribe.
Come on, tell them again. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all know what to do already, man. Later.
Hi, Ninja, don't ask for no more.
More street. Give you guys a wine in the front. That thing wanted to catch.